Do you ever feel like you want to be on holidays, but you just can't be on holidays? Me too. You know what I do when I want to be on holidays is I make myself a little cheeky classic margarita. If there's any sun where you are, sit back, enjoy the sun, and let the tequila transport you to Mexico. Works every time. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic margarita at home. As always, this is a home cocktail channel. This is not a fancy bartending channel. If that's what you're looking for, I recommend that Anders guy, he's really good. Myself, I'm just someone who likes to drink cocktails at home. I have worked at bars and restaurants before in the past, never as like the bartender though, so because we're using lime juice, a citrus, in this cocktail, we are going to be using our cocktail shaker today. Classic margarita oftentimes actually only uses orange liqueur as the sweetener. I've experimented with the recipe a little bit, and I actually really like to use a bar spoon worth of agave nectar as well. If you don't have agave, you could use honey water, but you could also just try the cocktail leaving out that extra bit of sweetener in general, because the orange liqueur does add the sweetened flavor. So actually the first thing you're gonna wanna do is prepare your glass. So we are going to use a little bit of lime juice on the rim of this rocks glass. I'm just coating the rim with sea salt. It's also common to use rock salt for something like this. I have pink sea salt in the house, so that's what I'm using. 2 ounces of tequila blanco, 1 ounce of orange liqueur, 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. It's a juicy lime. Got lucky. 1 bar spoon of agave. Oh. Load up your shaker with ice, and we're gonna shake for about 30 seconds. You wanna shake until it's really cold. So not just like a teeny shake, we wanna like properly shake it. Shaking never looks cool, but it's worth it because the drink will taste so much better if you just commit to shaking the cocktail. So let's do it. Okay, my shaker is frosty. We are ready to go. And we're garnishing it with a slice of lime. And I think it looks beautiful. The classic margarita tastes really fresh. It has that little bit of an orange flavor from the orange liqueur. And then the lime obviously is bringing forth a lot of freshness. The saltiness creates a nice balance. It's just really one of the best cocktails. When you're using a high quality tequila, it tastes even better. I mean, you could use any tequila, and if the flavor is a little bit harsh, you could balance it out by adding a little bit more agave or a little bit more orange liqueur. But for me, using this tequila, it's just perfect. I hope you enjoyed this little self-indulgent holiday moment. And if you are still feeling thirsty, watch this video next. See you in Mexico.